Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to find and catch the legendary 3-horse in Fish It Roblox. So this epic catch only spawns in a specific hidden area and you'll need the right bait to lure it out. So don't miss out on adding this unique legendary to your collection. So let's just get started. So I got the shiny one in here, and for the locations I'm going to show you the way. So in the Fisherman Island, you can just in the Christmas Island, you can just go here and turn right from here and go in between this gap right here, then go down. After that, you can just turn left and follow the path in here. So the it is a bit narrow, but you can just follow my steps in here, and until you see this, you can just turn right, and that will be this water. Don't forget to put on your diving gear. You can just go dive now and find the fishing spots in here. It's night now, so it's a little bit dark, but when it's a day, you can see it better. Let's just go here, then turn right. Go right again. You'll see this walls right here. After that, you can just follow here. You'll see this little spots where you can go up, and this is where I got the shiny 3-horse. So you can just use your road to go fish in here to get the 3-horse. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.